In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy VOO on Webull. Whether you're just starting out with investing or you're looking to expand your portfolio, buying an ETF like VOO can be a great way to diversify. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together to ensure you can confidently make your purchase on Webull. First, you'll want to log into your Webull account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where you can view your portfolio, check the latest market news, and manage your investments. But today, our focus is on purchasing VOO, so we'll head directly to the trading section. Look towards the top left of your screen and you'll see an option called Web Trade. Go ahead and click on Web Trade. This will take you to the trading interface where all the action happens. Here you can execute trades, analyze charts, and stay updated on market trends. Next, shift your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a search bar. This is where you can search for any stock or ETF you're interested in. Type in VOO into the search bar. VOO is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is what we're looking to invest in. Once you type it in, you should see a list of search results. From these results, go ahead and select VOO. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed overview of the ETF. Here you can view important information such as the current price, historical performance, and other relevant data about the ETF. It's always a good idea to review this information to ensure you're making an informed decision. Now, with the VOO page open, you'll see a button that says Trade. Clicking this will bring up the order entry screen. This is where you'll specify the details of your purchase. You'll need to decide how many shares you want to buy. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the purchase. In the order entry screen, you'll also choose your order type. For most straightforward purchases, a market order will suffice, as it buys the shares at the current market price. However, if you want more control over the price you pay, you might opt for a limit order, where you set the maximum price you're willing to pay per share. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, the final step is to review your order details carefully. Double-check the quantity, price, and any other specifics to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, hit the Buy button to execute your trade. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased VOO on Webull. Investing in ETFs like VOO can be a strategic move towards building a balanced and diverse portfolio. Remember, it's important to continually educate yourself and stay informed about your investments. Thanks for watching and happy investing.